Hello, welcome to this lecture on the group assignment of creating a value proposition for all-star brands. In marketing, in this class, marketing management, and in the previous class, intro to marketing, we know that marketing is about communications. Marketing is a two-way street. We want to deliver message and value, information and value to our customers. We also want to receive information and value, which is customers purchasing products and service from us. And oftentimes, marketing is summarized as, or the marketing mix is summarized as the 4 P's: the product, place, price, and promotion. But from the communication, the two-way street, the two-way communication perspective, it's really very important for us, for marketing executives, to be able to communicate with our customers effectively and efficiently. And one of the ways to do this is to create a value proposition. I'm going to jump ahead a little bit here. Let's look at what is a value proposition. The value proposition, first of all, is a statement that captures the basic brand promise being made to consumers. So that's, as you can see here, a marketplace offering that fairly and accurately sums up the value that customers will realize if he or she purchase the product or services. So it's a promise. Why do we need a promise? First of all, the logic goes that until the customer actually consume our product and service, they don't know what they're going to get from us. So a lot of the times, especially if that's a tangible product, customers are going to purchase and pay the money for the product first and then consume later. So there's a gap, there's a disparity, there's a disconnection there. In some industries, for example, restaurant or hotel, especially restaurants, you are going to almost simultaneously pay for the service, the food, the service, and then enjoy them. But still, there is a risk. So consumers are taking a chance on us. They're taking some risk. So we want to promise them something. We want to give them a value proposition. Promise them, if you purchase from us, this is what you're going to get. So that's basic idea behind value proposition. And as we just mentioned, another thing that value proposition is important is from the perspective of competition. We are competing against other competitors, and we often use a term that this is an information overload society. That is, consumers are being hit from every direction almost on a daily basis. Some marketer, some organization is trying to communicate with the consumer and convince him or her to purchase from them. So a value proposition is a way, kind of an answer to that information overload. Basically, it summarizes what our products and service can do for the consumers in a simple statement. So that's clear. That's your shortcut. Hopefully, create a shortcut in the consumer's mind. Okay, so that's the idea and the 2 most important reasons and benefits of creating value proposition. And this group assignment, we're going to use this table or this plan to create the value proposition and a tagline for our all-star brands. Okay, and how do we come up with the value proposition? That's where we are going to have a very brief discussion or talk about the different dimensions of a product, especially a tangible product. There's the actual features of the product. If you look at a car, the size, the engine, the interior decoration, the trim of the wheels, all those are tangible features. If you look at a hotel, it's the lobby, it's the rooms, the bed, the TV in the room. Those are tangible features. It also including packaging, brand name, appearance. Those are very important. The core benefit of the product is what the product delivers. So for example, it relieves coughs, it helps allergy, it reduces fever, it helps someone who is in pain. Those are the core benefits that the product will bring to the consumer. So here, look at our OTC drugs, all-star brands. We look at the actual features, the tangible features of our product. And then we look at the benefits, the core product, the benefits of each feature it can bring to the customer. And then that's how we come up with the value proposition. So based on the features, based on the benefits that will be brought forward by the core product, what's our promise to our consumers in a very short, concise, but hopefully very powerful statement. Okay, there are other aspects of product. There's also the augmented product. Some additional features, oftentimes intangible, such as warranties, or if you purchase a car, the financial arrangements, the service on the car loan that provided by the finance arm of the dealership. If you stay at a hotel, the augmented product could be a free shuttle service to the airport, and some of the regional hotels in Buffalo, they have free shuttle service that can send you to the major tourist attractions in the region. Martin Darwin House, the Niagara Falls. So that's augmented product, and it's oftentimes very important. Just think about if you're buying a car, then the car loan service, the financial aspect, as the augmented product is very important as to your purchasing decision. Okay, so again, hopefully this very short introduction narration will give you some idea of what is the value proposition and where does it come from. So I'm confident that at this time you should be very familiar with the case, very familiar with our product. So let's work. Let's use the worksheet again. I would prefer if you can recreate this worksheet in a Word document, and then this is a group assignment. So work among the group members to look at the features, the benefits, and come up with the value proposition, and then a tagline. Of course, there are examples of good taglines like Claritin as a seasonal allergy drug, Claritin Clear. That's a nice tagline. You don't have to follow that, of course, but use your creativity, use your imagination as a consumer, but more importantly now as marketing executives, managers for all-star brands. What's your tagline? So again, as a group assignment, submit one report per group through the Dropbox before the deadline. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.